G'day, Taj from Wayne Phyllis Kia Ranella in South Australia, doing the video on the 2019 Ford Raptor in fantastic condition. Been very well looked after. As you can see, it has the big Ford blacked out alloys with the Wild Peak all-terrains. Plenty of life left on the tires. Moving around the car, has the side steps. Comes with the Raptor mats. Go into your service history. So bought from Port Adelaide. There at Stillwell Ford. Going into your service history. There. So been regularly serviced. Awesome service history, actually. And then we've done our service and safety sticker on there as well. Not due until August of 2024. Moving into the back seats. Doesn't even look like they've been sat on. Carpet mats. Has the big vinyl rack up the top. Again, alloys are in great condition. Plenty of life left on the tires. Comes with the hard lid, tow bar on there as well. Very nice looking car. Good looking blue. Again, no scratching on the alloys. Plenty of life left on the tires. Nice side steps there for you. Go into the car, turn it on. So you got your electric seats. Got your sat nav in there. Big reversing camera. All your 4x4 functions. Very nice looking car. Okay, continue on. Again, alloys in perfect condition. Very nice car. We'll chat to you soon, Simon. Thank you very much. Taj from Wayne Phyllis Kia Ranella. Thank you.